me and my partner and my other cohorts partners, they're going to continue to discriminate against us?
Currently, the state has to abide by the state constitution, and so...
Not the Constitution of the United States. I mean, not the Supreme Court. They don't have to abide by anything that they have, the decisions that they have laid out.
There is technically a waiting period in terms of that decision. So there's a rule called Rule 45, which basically, right, the 25-day period, and so that certification hasn't been sent to the Sixth Circuit Court of Appeals yet.
Well, let me state this. As an African American, you get accustomed to the systematic discrimination and racism that we feel and experience every day. We've gotten accustomed to that. But to be given the right to marry the man that I love, and I cannot do that because of the powers that be, they disagree with it. It's very frustrating. And I came here today, and I was very excited and emotional about this, and I didn't know that I was going to get this emotional about it, but to be told that, yes, you have a right to marry the person you love, and yet in my state, a state of which I am a native, a state of which I love, I cannot do that. It's very disheartening and discouraging. I am yet hopeful. I'm certain that we will get through this, but I just want the policymakers, I hope that they understand that this is very disheartening and upsetting, because I came here today to do what other people have been able to do all day. And those individuals, even though they were not like my partner and I, they did feel that we are human and we are connected, and they came over to us and they spoke to us and they said congratulations and keep it up. And so for them to speak to us, knowing that we are different but yet we are the same, and we still aren't able to get the same rights that they have, we still aren't able to get that piece of paper to go and validate our love for one another, it's very upsetting. And so I can see the tears in your eyes, and I know that you, as a state employee, it's pulling at your heart, and I wanted to pull at your heart, and I'm hoping that you can take the message that Michael and I think we're both saying, is that we are human beings and we deserve to be validated, and we are not asking for anything extra. We're just asking for everything, for the same rights that everyone else has.
I understand that, and I hear that. I do certainly want to let you know that we do hear you. And currently, we do have to abide by the state constitution. So, certainly we'll be processing what the Supreme Court issued this morning, and we'll continue to evaluate sort of what that means in terms of the department and what it means in terms of the Vital Records Office. And so, we'll share any information that we have along the way.
So on that 26th day, what is going to happen?
Really, that's a great question, and I think that the legal staff is still trying to determine that. And once we get that, once that certification goes to the Sixth Circuit, I think that will be more information.
I'm just discouraged because, in a state like Louisiana, again, of which I am a native, we come from we have a history of discriminating